Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can generate websites, blog posts, slides, documents and more by using a simple text prompt. We are going to use a tool called MGX.dev and the link is available in the video description. So first, click on it and create an account. After creating your account, you will see the dashboard like this. Here, you can see a prompt bar. You just need to enter your prompt and it will automatically generate the website for you. Down below, you'll also find ready-made templates. You can use these templates and try them out. We're going to try everything one by one. So let's dive in. First of all, I want to generate a website, so I will enter my prompt here. For example, I want to create a modern, clean, and professional website for a personal brand or influencer. So I'll type this detailed prompt in the prompt bar. Then I need to adjust a few other settings. For example, if you want, you can upload a file or even upload a folder. After that, you need to select the model. You will see options like Team and Engineer. Next, you can select from various AI models, including DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Cloud Sonnet, and more. Once all the settings are done, hit the Generate button and the website generation process will begin. It will start processing your request, work on the coding, and create a complete website based on your input. This may take a few minutes, so wait patiently. Once the processing is complete, you will see the website interface. Now that our website is ready, you can see that it has been generated according to the details I provided. You can preview it in mobile view or laptop view. If you prefer, you can also see it in full mode. The tool automatically adds all the important pages such as the About section, Services section, Contact section, and more. So as you can see, you can generate a full professional website very easily with MGX. If you want to publish the website, click on the Public button. You can click on the Super Base option to get backend access and configure everything. Finally, you can hit the Share button to share your website on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and others. Now let's try generating something else, like slides, documents, blog posts, or dashboards. This time, I want to generate a blog post, so I'll simply enter a prompt. For example, I want to create a feminine, elegant skincare blog post targeting young women. Once I enter this detailed prompt and hit the Generate button, it will start processing. It will start processing your request, work on the coding. This may take a few minutes, so wait patiently. After a few minutes, our skincare beauty blog post is ready. Created exactly according to the prompt. So just like that, you can generate blog posts, slides, documents, and more. All you need to do is type your prompt and the system will generate content for you automatically. It's that simple. So this is the power of MGX. The link is available in the description. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.